Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and today I want to show you how to make the arch lace stitch in a row and in a square. So for this tutorial, I will be using a Stylecrafts special double knit yarn. So this is a 100% acrylic yarn, and I meant to use a 4mm crochet hook. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. So the arch lace stitch is a multiple of 8 plus 1 plus 1 for the base chain. So for this tutorial, I will be chaining 32 plus 1 plus 1, and that's a total of 34 chains. Now I have 34 chains. So to begin row 1, I'm going to make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So this time I'm going to use the back ridge of that chain. And make another single crochet into the next chain. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now skip the next 5 chains. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then make a single crochet into the next chain. Make a single crochet into the next 2 chains. So make sure you take all the parts of the yarn. Now chain 5 again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then skip the next 5 chains and make a single crochet into the next chain. And then make a single crochet into the next 2 chains. And we're going to repeat all the same all the way across. So into the last batch of our chain 5 space, we only need to make 2 single crochets. This is the same at the beginning as well. So this is our first row. So let's go ahead and continue with the second row. So to begin the second row, chain 1, and then turn your work. And then make a single crochet into the first stitch. and then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then make 3 double crochets into the chain 5 space. And then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So skip the first single crochet and make a single crochet into the second single crochet, and then chain 3, and then make 3 double crochets into the chain 5 space. And then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then skip the next single crochet and work a single crochet into the next single crochet, chain 3, and we're going to do it again by making 3 double crochets again into the chain 5 space, and then chain 3, skip the next single crochet, and then work a single crochet into the next single crochet. And we're going to do the same into the next chain 5 space. So we're going to put 3 double crochets here, and then chain 3, and work a single crochet into the last single crochet. So we're going to skip this first single crochet here and work a single crochet into the last single crochet. So this is the second row. Now to begin the third row, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the first 3 chains will be counted as our first treble crochet, and the next 3 chains will be counted as our chain 3 space. And then turn your work into the first double crochet, make a single crochet, and make a single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then chain 5. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to do that on the next 3 sets of double crochets. We're going to put 1 single crochet on each of the 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then chain 5. And make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. and we're going to repeat that. So chain 5, and then make a single crochet into the next 3 double crochets, and then chain 3. So to end this row, we're going to place a treble crochet into the last single crochet here. So that's yarn over twice. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 3 times. So this is our 3rd row. So to continue with row 4, chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this will be counted as our first double crochet, and then turn your work and make a double crochet into the next chain stitch. And then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip the first single crochet stitch and then make a single crochet into the next stitch. And then chain 3, and then make 3 double crochets into the next chain 5 space. 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Chain 3 and skip the next single crochet and make a single crochet into the next single crochet. One, 2, and 3, and make 3 double crochet into the next chain 5 space. And then chain 3, skip the next single crochet and make a single crochet into the next single crochet. And we're going to repeat that all the way across. Now we are on the last few stitches here. So what we're going to do, we're going to skip the next chain here, the first chain, and we're going to make a double crochet into the next chain. And another double crochet into the next chain. So to begin row 5, chain 1, and then turn your work, and then make a single crochet into the first stitch and into the next stitch. And now chain 5. And make a single crochet into the next double crochet. And then make a single crochet into the next 2 double crochets. Chain 5. And we're going to make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 5. And then work 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 5. And then work 1 single crochet into the next double crochet and on top of the turning chains. So that's 1 single crochet. So this is the 4-row repeat, and that is from row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. So to continue with the next row, so you will repeat those rows. So that's row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. So I'm going ahead and I'll see you in a bit until I have some heights. So this is the arch lace stitch in a row in a rectangular pattern. So as you can see, it's quite straight on both sides and it's nice and soft. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and I'll see you again next time.